Master, we have found two infinity stones, time stone and the space stone, are currently in a planet called Earth in Milky Way.
Yes, indeed, I thought they found those, but as I heard, Earth is now inhabited with many new superheroes. So now, before we go there, we need to find about them. So you need to make a Google script for me.
But Master, we can just Google search it.
I know, but I need to store the data directly into my database.
I'm in a great trouble. Scraping Google is not just that easy.
Do you need any help now?
Who are you? And how did you come here? Alright, in this process we need some libraries, so first let's go and install them. For that go to your command prompt if you are Windows user, and if you are a Mac user go to your terminal and just type for pip install BeautifulSoup. For we are using the fourth version of the BeautifulSoup library and press enter. Oh, I'm sorry. And here it says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it and there's nothing to install again. But in your computer it will take some time and download and install the library. And now let's install the request library. For that also use pip command. Pip install request and press enter. Alright, now we are ready for the process. Alright, now I will open up a Python file. I will name it main.py. You can have any name here you like, but with the extension of .py, and press enter to open the file. And now I will import the installed libraries. For that I will use import keyword, import request, and when importing BeautifulSoup library we need to use a different method. It's just like from this for import BeautifulSoup, and to scrape we need a web page. I have already selected a web page, that is this. And if you know about Google URLs, we just need this part of the URL to get the web page. And if I show you, this is the web page we get. This is a little different because we don't pass headers and cookies with our URL in this part, so we get a somewhat different web page. But here also we can do our project successfully. You can see here is the answer for our this is the answer for our question, and if we just inspect it, we can see it is an anchor tag with the class name of this. I will just copy the class name. And if you have ever scraped the website, you know we need to get the page. For that I will use the request library, request.get. I will paste the URL and I need the content of it. I use this content method because if I just use the request.get with the URL, we just get the status code, not the web page, and with the .content method we get the content of the web page. And I will save the return value in a variable called page. And now I will create the soup object, usually the beautiful soup with this page, and I will use html.parser. And now as usual, if you have a web script, I will try to find anchor tag with the class name of this. Oh, sorry. This, and I will just print it to see what's happening. And make sure to use this underscore after the class because class is a reserved word in Python, so you just need to use the underscore and save, and I will run my Python program. Python main.py. If you know how to run a Python program, we can see we get an empty string, but you can see I use the exact same class name here, and if you have a web script, you know we should get the written value correctly. But the problem is we are requesting the web page from our Python program, not from a web browser. So Google really doesn't know who we are, whether we are an actual user or a bot. So they pretty much give a different web page than the HTML page we see here. So to avoid this, we can use a header. I will create a dictionary called headers, and I will populate it with this. I will put this header in the description, and if I pass this headers with the request and try this again, we can see we get the anchor tag and with the required text. And now I just use this text to see it more clearly and run again. Sorry, we can't use find text in find all. I will make this find, and now I'll run. Yeah, you can see we get the result we want. If we try this with another request, just like we can say who is advanced like file and control save, and I run this, we get it at hover stack because here also our Python program requests this page from Google, and let's see what the page look like. Yeah, it is also this anchor tag with the class name. So you can see we have successfully scraped Google, and you can now use this in any of your projects. I will put this header in the description so you can just copy and paste it. And if you have liked the video and wanna see more stuff like this, just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and thank you.